That's pretty funny. Don't go too fast, Zoe. You guys are so cute.
Can I don't wear these in the grass, please?
No, keep your shoes on, please.
Ah.
You don't know if there's anything in the grass you don't want to step on or in. He's like, push me, sister. Here. Oh, time to move on. Rest time's over. Is that pretty funny? Your cousin Zoe's a blast, huh?
I know.
This is how my cousins were with me when I was little, for the same age and part. And I was the favorite. They told me that all the time. You were the favorite. We loved you so much.
Well, I think Zoe will be the favorite.
Yeah. Oh, careful. We're kind of in a dirt ditch here.